We're going to look at two more games today. Swansea versus Leicester and Southampton versus West Brom. So they'd be two games which I really wouldn't know who I expect to win. So it's easy to kind of go, Man United are going to win. That's not really a challenge. I'd imagine both models. I mean, this is the third in a series of 5 videos where we look at trying to predict a Premier League result using the Poisson model and a machine learning model based on betting odds. So basically, if I picked a game where there was a clear favourite, I'd imagine both models would say that Man United are going to win. So that's not that useful. I mean, it's a basic test. You want to see whether, they're both working. So, and yesterday was a great result. Brighton won, which is what the machine learning model had predicted. While the Poisson model, and actually I thought myself, I thought West Ham were going to win. I mean, they were at home and all that kind of stuff. I think they were the favourites as well. So I've taken the numbers from Soccer Stats in the usual way and put them into the model. And we have the machine learning sheet. So for that, I just need what the odds are here. So I'm going to begin with the machine learning model for the Swansea-Leicester match, and then I'll do the Poisson one. So we need the odds for the away team and a draw. So away is 2.75 and that's 3.25. So 2.75 is less than 2.8. So we expect the away team to win. And the draw is 3.25, so that's less. So this is predicting a draw for the Swansea-Leicester match. Now, draws are quite rare, so if it is a draw and it gets it right, you win like double or treble your money. It's easy to just avoid predicting a draw since the chances are you're going to be wrong. So I would put a half bet on that one. So I can imagine putting €5 on the draw, but I'll win 10 or the machine learning algorithm will get 10 if it is right. What's it saying from the Poisson model perspective? So here it thinks that it's going to be an away win, since that's over 50%. A home win and a draw are about 25%. That's typically over a season. The home win is 50% and the draw and away are 25%. So this is an interesting flip. So the Poisson model is predicting that Leicester are going to win. This is for the other match, Southampton-West Brom. And here, it doesn't really have a signal. It's mildly a home win, 40%. But it's expecting the score to be 1-1. So I probably, if I had this output from a match, I wouldn't bet on it really. So I'll chalk this down as a I'll leave this match. Unless the odds are incredible. I mean, if the home win is like 4-1 or 2, I mean, is a strong. If the odds are very attractive, then it does think that the most likely outcome is a home win. But you know, you can see here it's very marginal. What does the betting model say? So 5.25 for an away win. So that, to me, suggests it's likely going to be a home win. And draw is 3.4. So the away win was 5. So it's on this side. The draw was 3.4. So we go down here. Greater than or equal to 3. So the betting model thinks it's going to be an away win. So a draw for the first game and an away win for the second. And I left this alone. The Poisson, if it had to make a prediction, would say it's a home win. So it doesn't think at all that it's going to be an away win. So again, quite a difference. I'm just checking what the Poisson said about the first game. Away win. So Poisson says away win and nothing. It couldn't split really between the three results, while the betting model is saying a draw for the first game and an away win for the second. Let's see how it goes.